We'll, of course, be bringing you more on that story as we build up towards that 3 p.m. Court hearing. For now, though, to this. 31-year-old Lourentia Lombaard has abandoned her bail application. She appeared in the Vredenburg Magistrate's Court this morning on charges related to the disappearance of a 6-year-old Joshlin Smith. Lombaard will remain behind bars until her next appearance on the 13th of May. She is the 5th suspect to be arrested in the case. Earlier this month, 3 accused in the case, including the 6-year-old's mother, also abandoned their bid for bail, while charges were withdrawn against a 4th person. The suspects all face charges of human trafficking and kidnapping. It's been over a month now since the grade 1 pupil was reported missing in Saldanha Bay.
Ms. Lombaard, is it correct that you have indicated to a legal representative that you are abandoning your right to apply for bail at this stage? The matter is postponed then to the 13th of May 2024 for further investigation, and your co-accused to be present in court. You will be in custody until then.
Newzroom Afrika's Nasiphi attended proceedings and joins us now from Saldanha Bay. Afternoon, Nasiphi. What was the reaction from the people who were at court this morning?
Well, Vuyo, we noted a significant decrease in the number of people that usually attend court following the disappearance of Joshlin Smith, many of them indicating that today is day 35 since the little girl went missing from her middle post home here in Saldanha Bay. And we basically came back to where it all started. We're standing meters away from the family home where Joshlin Smith, including her mother, Raquel Kelly Smith, the boyfriend to the mother, Jacques Apollos, lived, including the other children that Kelly has, or the siblings to Joshlin. So we've came back to this community, and previously, or rather in the previous weeks, we saw a number of community members from the greater Saldanha Bay community, including as far as Cape Town, coming together to search for the missing girl. However, and also appearing, or rather attending the court appearances, protesting outside, asking a question that they believe is quite pertinent because the missing girl has not been found. And they basically hoped that the appearance and the arrest of these 4 suspects now would be able to point police and law enforcement authorities in the right directions in locating the grade 1 pupil. But up until now, over 30 days later, the 6-year-old is yet to be found. And the question that we asked to some of the people that actually appeared in court, or rather that were in attendance from the community, as to why perhaps we've seen such a reduction in the number of people, and many of them saying that the fact that 4 people have been arrested, and 3 of those people were people that they had suspected initially and raised the alarm to the police in the first week following her disappearance. Now the people basically are waiting for the answers as to where Joshlin is and what exactly happened to her. And the 31-year-old that appeared today, Lourentia Lombaard, we understand from the NPA that there was a confession that was made. However, they cannot go into those details as to what exactly that confession contains, as they are saying that it forms part of the broader investigation. And should she want to apply for bail, as we understand that today she abandoned that bail, they will then obviously be going into the details of that confession. And the 4 accused will be then appearing on the 13th of March, facing those charges of kidnapping, including human trafficking. And as you mentioned, police have made 5 arrests in the past month alone in connection to the disappearance of Joshlin Smith. And as you put it, a couple of weeks ago, they dropped the charges against Phumza Sigaka, the fourth accused who initially appeared alongside the boyfriend and the mother of the 6-year-old, saying that they are dropping all charges against her. However, they do continue with the investigations. As you remember, Vuyo, a couple of weeks ago, the community members, including law enforcement agencies, not too far from where we are standing, a stone throw away from the family home, they found bloody items or clothes with blood. At this present moment, SAPS has not indicated whether or not that report, when they took those clothing items to forensic, has been released, and we are still waiting to hear the update as so far as that is concerned. We understand also from the community that they've reached a point where they are a bit, not even tired, but despondent, saying that they've gone and looked in all the corners of Saldanha Bay, and they're now looking at law enforcement agencies to take it a step a notch and hopefully locate the missing girl. However, they are hoping that the 4 accused that are currently behind bars or in custody will be able to give answers as to what happened to the missing girl and also why they did what they did.